If you want to make a perfect circle selection in Pixlr, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. Whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, or isolating part of an image, a clean circle selection can save you a lot of time and make your design work much easier. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials. First, activate the Marquee tool by pressing the M key on your keyboard. This is the quickest way to bring up the selection tools in Pixlr. Once the Marquee tool is active, look at the top tool options bar and click the ellipse icon. This switches the selection from a standard rectangular shape to a circular or oval selection mode. Now here's the key part for making it perfectly round. Click and hold your left mouse button on the canvas, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Holding Shift locks the proportions, which means your selection will stay perfectly circular instead of stretching into an oval. With both buttons held down, drag diagonally across the canvas until the circle reaches the exact size you want. Try to move slowly and position it carefully so the selection fits your subject or design area. When you're happy with the size, release the mouse button first and then let go of the Shift key after that. Releasing in that order helps keep the selection perfectly constrained, and that's it. You've just created a perfect circle selection in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick for cropping, masking, highlighting objects, or building custom design elements. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.